Of the Remembrance Project. My organization honors and remembers Americans who've been killed by illegal aliens. My father came from Mexico the right way. I'm first generation, so it's very important to me as an American and for all Americans' safety, for your department to do what it was asked to do by the taxpayers of LA County. As you know, to keep our communities and families safe. And as you know, what is in LA County, California, does not always stay in LA, California. So today I just want to ask you to reach out, do all you can, humanly possible, to keep not only Californians safe, but also all of America safe. It does matter what takes place here in the in California, all over the country. And please do not forget Detective Johnson and Deputy Sheriff Oliver, who were killed less than a year ago. So we're asking you to reinstate 287G, ultimately to help with that process, but in the meantime, do not remove PEP, the Priority Enforcement Program that you have. And I hope you take this message back to the Department of Homeland Security Secretary James Johnson, who we met with in May. Thank you for your time, and God bless you in your decisions and protection according to your duties. Thank you.